How to fix wired connection with no internet access on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your Ethernet connection working properly again. First, check the physical connection. Make sure the Ethernet cable is firmly plugged in to both your PC and your router. Let me show you. After that, try unplugging the cable and plugging it back in to ensure a secure connection on both ends. From there, check if the lights on your router and Ethernet port are blinking. If they're not, it may indicate a faulty cable or port. At this point, try restarting your router by unplugging it from the power outlet. Wait about 30 seconds and plug it back in. In the next step, once the router is back on, check if the internet is now accessible on your PC. From here, if it's still not working, press the Windows key and R at the same time. Let me show you. At this stage, type in CMD and press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter to open Command Prompt as administrator. Following this, type in netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Once done, type in netsh int IP reset and press Enter. From there, type in ipconfig/release and press Enter. At this point, type in ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Following this, type in ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Let me show you what to do next. Once done, close Command Prompt and restart your PC. Click on the Start menu and select Restart. From here, once your PC is back on, check if the internet is now working through your wired connection. At this stage, if it's still not working, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet and click on Advanced Network Settings. Following this, click on Network Reset and click on Reset Now. This will reset all your network settings back to default. Here's an important note. If the issue is only happening on one specific website and not all of them, the problem may be with that website server rather than your connection. Try visiting other websites to confirm whether the internet is fully working or just partially. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the wired connection with no internet access on Windows 11, give it a like. Subscribe for more Windows tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.